Hello and welcome to Bucksmore's virtual summer school. In this short video, I'd like to tell you a bit more about our business and sustainable development program aimed at students aged 14 to 17. As part of the fantastic course, we have partnered with the world-famous Eden Project. It's an educational charity and social enterprise in Cornwall, south of the UK. They have incredible plans and exhibitions, house rainforests, and have a year-round program of exploring themes like business, transformation, and sustainability. For 90 minutes each day, students will participate in workshops run by the Eden Project. As students, you will have to work with your peers and come up with an idea for an environmentally sustainable and socially responsible product or service. Once you have created a business and a marketing plan, you will present your ideas to a panel of Eden Project experts at the end of the course. For the other 90 minutes each day, a well-established Bucksmore tutor will help you complement and further your understanding of sustainable business ideas, like how everyday purchases and business activities relate to sustainability. You will consider ideas like business needs, demand and supply, and how business affect climate change. Students will also have shared sessions on 21st century skills and topics including mindfulness, personality indicators, and positive psychology. These will be accompanied by sessions like careers advice, CV writing, and interview skills. During your studies, you will also be inspired by 2 guest speakers, one of which will be a business specialist. We look forward to seeing you online this summer. If you're interested, please use the links below to get in touch. See you online. Bye.